Hey, Quilt Nation, Quilt Marine here. So, trying to put our Georgia Beauty together, New York Beauty, but we're gonna call it our Georgia Beauty because it was built here in the best state, Georgia. That's Auntie. If you hear that growling, that's Auntie. She doesn't like the clock. There's a clock in the corner that I put on the chair, and the ticking makes her mad. Okay, so we got our fours together, right? So now I'm gonna put our strips together, okay? So we're gonna do some nesting. And we nest like what? Eagles, not parakeets. Parakeets don't nest, eagles do, okay? So let's do some nesting. So the first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna pull this down, okay? Let's pull this one down here. All right, we'll lay this out here. And this one. Right, we're gonna stay in rhythm here. All right, top and bottom. So we're gonna roll that over there. We're gonna nest these. All right. So let's turn this around. I like to work from the top. Okay. So we're just gonna nest our seams, putting this seam with that seam, putting this seam with that seam, and so on, okay? All the way down. So I have a tendency of working from the middle out, okay? All right, so let's see what we're looking at here. All right, so this seam with this seam right here, right? I'm gonna pin that. Grab a good old fake pin here. And a pin right here. There we go. These two seams go together. And we're gonna pin it. This way. Okay, so we have a circle here. So I'm going to kind of want to get the seams of the circle together, right? Let's pin there. Let's pin the middle of the circle as well, and the other edge as well. Okay, so we want to nest as close as possible, okay? Although I'm not really that worried about it because my quilts aren't going to shows, okay? My quilts go to people who love them, who aren't expecting to receive one and love them for what they are. I'm not overly concerned about flaws, okay? Because our quilts are like us. They're not perfect, or my quilts are like us. They're not perfect. And I love pissing off the quilting police, okay? I know they're out there watching. All right, let's get this edge too here. All right, I'm getting close to this right here. So once we get done pinning or nesting, we're gonna 1/4" seam this, and we're gonna keep on going, okay? I have another one here. Okay, so we've gone that way. Let's go this way here. All right. That's close enough for government work for me, okay? All right, so we're gonna take it over to the Bernina. We're gonna put a 1/4" seam on this. Okay, so we're at the Bernina right now, and my stitch length on this stitch is going to be a 2.25. All right. The only reason why I'm going 2.25 because I didn't want to go at 2.50. This is a convenience that I have on my new Bernina 770 QE. Thank you very much. All right, so let's go in here. Go on the 1/4" seam. All right, let's put a couple back stitches in here real quick. All right, here we go. All right, I'm gonna start pulling pins here. 1/4" seam going. Back stitch. All right. And let's wait for the foot to come up. All right, here we go. Now we have our 1/4" seam in. Let's pull our pins out. Pull our pins. Make sure you have all your pins out, okay? And then we're gonna take it, we're gonna press the seam. We're gonna press it open, okay? Got our pins, all pins. All right. All right, so this quilt, right, this quilt top, right, so far has been really fun. Those of you who aren't new to the channel know that I am a great fan of the New York Beauty. I love the New York Beauty. And paper piecing, I think, is something that I enjoy. Okay, let's open this up. Let's see if we're nested like eagles here. I'm gonna press this open. Okay, let's press this open here. Let's go all the way down. Not bad. Not bad for a jar head, I would say. Let's get down here. Let's move this down some. Let's move this over so we can have some workspace here. Not bad. All right. Not too shabby. All right, so now we gotta add the other strips to this, okay? So the thing about this too is you gotta remember where you are so you don't put them on upside down or backwards, okay? So remember we had flipped it over, right? So this is the top. So we're just working our way down, right? So the next strip will come down. We're gonna add the next strip to it, all right? Let's go grab the next one. All right, strip number 2. All right, let's pull it off the wall here. Pin. Let's go ahead and pull our pins because we're gonna probably be hanging the quilt in one piece here shortly. All right, pin, and pin. We're gonna take it over and match it up. We're gonna nest. This is how we need to put it together, right? So we're gonna flip it over. Okay, something about working upside down that I can't do, all right? So all I'm gonna do is turn it over this way. Just like this. Get my pins out here. I'm gonna work from the center out, all right? So let's match that up there. That looks good. Let's pin that. So I try to pin at least 1 inch in so that when I'm going by putting my 1/4" seam on, I don't have the habit of running over pins. You don't want to strike pins with your needle on your machine, okay? That's not a good thing to do. Okay, let's go here. All right, so we have all our strips on, okay? So we're gonna hang this thing. We gotta keep on going. We got a border to do, all right? You've got it all on. You guys have the basics, all right? If you don't have the basics, just reach out, all right? No worries at all, okay? Let's hang it up, okay? We got our strips on. So I remembered not to put them together upside down. Ask me how I know. I've done it plenty of times, and that's why I do this, to keep you from doing it, okay? Let's take it to our display wall here. All right, so we still got to do our border, right? So we're working on our border, but the border's not out of the book we're working on, okay? The border's out of a book by Valerie Wells called Radiant Beauty, New York Beauties. Yeah, Valerie Wells, Radiant New York Beauties. That is my favorite New York Beauty book to go out of, all right? You don't need to add anything. You don't need to take anything away. She did a great job. That book is a great book. And you can probably find it on that place that I don't go to anymore, all right? But it's a great book. Look it up, all right? Valerie Wells, Radiant New York Beauty. I'll keep going out of that book. The only reason why I didn't go out of that book is because I gifted it to someone. You know, I'm a quilter, and like quilters do, I give. So I gave away my Valerie Wells Radiant New York Beauty book, and it ran out. It had ran out. So now that it's back in, I'll get another one. But no worries, okay? And I know what you guys are thinking. Don't send 900 Valerie Wells Radiant New York Beauty books, okay? I got one on the way. It's already coming, all right? Don't worry about me. We're okay, all right? But if you get to work out of that book, Valerie Wells Radiant New York Beauty, you will not be disappointed. She has some great patterns in there, great patterns. And this pattern came out of that book. This border pattern came out of her book. And I love this border pattern. So whenever I do a New York Beauty, no matter what book I went out of or whose style I used, Valerie Wells will always have an influence on my New York Beauties because her book is so easy to follow and their patterns are so great. I'm not getting anything from her, all right? We're not getting anything from the bookmaker or anything. I just love the book. So I'm always gonna give you guys what I like, and that's a great book to work out of. So this border is what we're gonna go with on this quilt, all right? So on our next video, we're gonna put some of this together, okay? And then we're gonna attach it, we're gonna pull it down, and it's on its way out of here, all right? We're gonna start our new project, which is gonna be huge. I got a huge project coming up. And it's probably something you don't even realize what we're gonna do, but it's gonna be a great thing that we do. And we're gonna be going in with a fellow YouTube maker or YouTube, I don't know what she called. Influencer. Yeah, influencer. All right, I was waiting for my wife to give me the hint, all right? I had a total mind meltdown, so I was watching her lips and she was mouthing it, and then I got it. YouTube influencer, my favorite influencer, all right? And we're gonna do a collab, and it's gonna be great. We're gonna involve the Quilt Nation. I can't wait, it's gonna be exciting. I'm so stoked to do this, all right? But look, this is what we're done for today. When we come back, it'll be the border. We'll put the border together, and we'll put it on, and then we'll get some info on our next big deal coming up, okay? Thank you, Quilt Nation. I really appreciate you. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe. And remember, it's only fabric and it's only thread.